Hi everyone, my name is Jordan Byers and I'm the creative content coordinator at Glamnetic, and today we're going to be doing a little bit of a chit chat, get ready with me, and the makeup look is going to be inspired by Euphoria. It is so popular and trendy right now, so obviously I have to try some of their iconic looks. I'm going to go ahead and do my right eye and then I'll do my left eye on camera as we chit chat. There will be some spoilers, so if you have not caught up on season 2, come back when you have. All right, so this is the look that we are going to be doing today. It's very simple, just pink here, a pink wing, a magnetic half lash, and then 3 crystals here and 3 crystals there. First things first, Cassie and Maddie. Cassie is over here with her best friend's boyfriend, ex-boyfriend. And then when Cassie gets caught, something about Cassie really annoys me because she is always playing the victim card, always crying, like very dramatic, very dramatic. And I'm just like, girl, you literally slept with your best friend's ex-boyfriend. What do you think? What did you expect? I think what disappoints me the most about Maddie and Cassie's friendship is the fact that they get away with things without each other, being suspicious about it. Like, if my best friend was with my boyfriend or my ex-boyfriend or whatnot, I feel like there would be a vibe. You would sit them down and be like, what is going on? And you would figure it out, But they're just like so oblivious of what's going on in each other's lives. And it's like, clearly something is not right when Cassie is like all of a sudden trying to like doll herself up like crazy for that, period of time. Like, wouldn't you be like, girl, what is going on? I wore a uniform in high school and we got in trouble if our skirt was like an inch above our knee. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, when Cassie was, dressing up that period of time where she's like, trying to make Nate notice her, when she was dressing up, the looks were fire. I feel like most schools, if somebody wore what they wore, they would get dress coded like that. Sent to the principal, sent home, change your clothes. Like, you could not get away with that, I feel. And you know what's really weird to me? I feel like the show is going all over the place. Like they are really starting. Don't worry, I got a hack for you guys that will fix that. But they are really like starting storylines every other couple minutes and then like completely abandoning them. Like, we're just gonna forget that Kat was a cam girl. What? I'm using a clean spoolie and literally just flaking away that mascara. Gone. And that one girl, what's her name? What is her name? I always forget her name, which is sad because I love her character and like she's like kind of dating Fez, or like what's going on with her and Fez. I love their dynamic together, but I'm also very confused. What's her name? I think the one thing that really grinds my gears and makes me like angry is when, the media or like people are saying like, oh, this show glamorizes drug abuse and like little kids are gonna start doing drugs, or like high schoolers are gonna start like thinking that, because this show is so popular and cool, it's gonna make little kids or younger kids want to do drugs. And I just don't agree, because the way they portray Rue when she's on drugs is very like chaotic, not fun, not exciting, not a good time. Like, you can clearly tell that Rue is not having a fun time. It is an addiction, and they clearly portray it as not being fun. You know what I mean? Like, all the criticism, it's like, it's a beautiful show. It is like a music video that lasts this, the time span of an actual show. So I really enjoy the cinematography. My biggest thing is like, I just want to go back to like, what is going on with these character developments? What is happening? I want to know. I want to see the finished story of Kat. I want to know what she's up to. I'm obsessed with this look so far. But I like it. I love the drama. I love the outfits. I love the makeup. I feel like every time a new episode comes out, I want to like dress so extra, do my makeup so extra, and live that music video vibe in my real life. But anyways, I want to know what you guys think of the show. Leave some comments down below. I want to respond to you guys, hear what you guys think about the show. all the tea, all that good stuff. I think this makeup look is so fun, but it's also wearable at the same time. Like, it's very dramatic and out there, but wearable to the point where it's not like too much. And by the way, I'm wearing the half lash in Sugar. It is perfect for this look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next week. Bye.